Hello Radhika ma'am, so how do you find IFFI happening this year, because you have seen many years of IFFI, so how do you find this year's IFFI?
Again, a great lot of films that have come in, international films, or I haven't been able to catch a lot of them, but yes, and IFFI is a great place to be. I've been coming here for years, so it's always wonderful.
So IFFI has now changed, and now they have included the OTT section
Yes.
also.
Yes.
You are also working for OTTs now,
Yes.
so how that changed?
Well, I was in the jury for OTT this year, and no, my OTT show wasn't in. So it is wonderful because there's such good work happening on the OTT format, and honestly, as a jury, watching all those shows which I could have missed otherwise, I'm so glad they entered the competition, and it was wonderful viewing them.
You must be meeting new talents from across the country,
Yes,
also from
yes.
the international federations like this. People they come over here. So how do you find like interacting with them,
I think-
especially the young talent?
See, the festivals are for this. You know, you meet people from different parts of the world, filmmakers, talent. It's a great exchange time, and it's wonderful to meet them all. And it's a festival, so it's a great exchange. Yes.
Okay, so what would you like to tell the people who are watching you, like who are interested to come in this profession of filmmaking, also now the OTT, the
Yeah.
digital platforms?
Like they say, जिस चीज़ की पढ़ाई करनी है उसको बहुत पढ़ना चाहिए. So if you want to be a film person, you want to be doing anything related to cinema, film festival is the best place to be, because you're going to watch so much that you might not have access to otherwise. So it's a great place for learning. Yes.
Thank you.